The 5 best accounting software for small businesses. If you run a small business, you know this. Keeping your finances in order is everything. But spreadsheets and manual calculations, that's a recipe for stress, mistake, and wasted time. That's where accounting software comes in. And today, we're going to reveal the 5 best accounting tools for small businesses so you can save time, stay compliant, and focus on growing your company. Let's count them down, from number 5 to number 1. Stick around, because the top pick is a true game changer for business owners on a budget. 5 value. Sage Business Cloud Accounting. Kicking off the list is Sage Business Cloud Accounting. Sage is a trusted name in the accounting world, and their cloud version is designed specifically for small and medium-sized businesses. It offers features like invoicing, cash flow tracking, bank reconciliation, and even basic inventory management. The platform is straightforward and reliable, ideal for business owners who want solid accounting tools without the bells and whistles. It also supports multi-currency transactions, which is great if you deal with international clients. Downsides: the interface feels a bit dated and the mobile app could use some love, but for basic needs and strong support, Sage is a safe pick. 4. Wave Accounting. Next on the list is Wave, and yes, it's completely free. Wave is perfect for solo entrepreneurs, freelancers, and micro businesses who want powerful tools without spending a cent. It includes unlimited invoicing, expense tracking, reports and dashboards, even receipt scanning with the mobile app. You only pay for add-ons like payment processing or payroll. Everything else, no hidden fees, no trial periods, just clean cloud-based accounting. Of course, Wave has limits. It doesn't support advanced inventory or project tracking, but for basic bookkeeping, it's one of the best value offers on the market. 3D our Zoho Books, and number 3 is Zoho Books, a strong contender for tech-savvy users who want customization. Zoho Books offers automated workflows, time tracking, estimates and retainer invoices, and full integration with the Zoho ecosystem. If you're already using Zoho CRM, Zoho Inventory, or Zoho Projects, this is the logical choice. Everything talks to everything else, and that means less data entry, fewer mistakes, and more time saved. The mobile app is sleek, the dashboard is intuitive, and pricing is extremely competitive, starting as low as a few dollars per month. However, payroll is only available in a few regions, so if that's key for you, make sure you check availability first. 2 area. Xero. In second place is Xero, a favorite for startups and growing businesses. Xero stands out with unlimited uses on all plans, beautiful, intuitive dashboards, easy bank feeds and reconciliations, and over 1,000 app integrations. Whether you're tracking expenses, managing inventory, or running payroll, Xero has you covered. The real-time reporting is especially helpful for businesses with multiple team members. It's not the cheapest option on this list, but the value is undeniable if you want clean design, advanced features, and scalable plans as you grow. 1 TA, QuickBooks Online, and taking the number 1 spot, no surprise, here is QuickBooks Online. Is the industry standard for a reason. QuickBooks gives you invoicing and payments, expense tracking, payroll, tax prep tools, and deep reports that give you a clear view of your financial health. What makes it so powerful is its ecosystem apps, accountant integrations, and tutorials everywhere. It also connects with platforms like Shopify, PayPal, Square, and more. QuickBooks is easy to learn, widely supported, and works great whether you're just starting out or already scaling. It's not free, but the time and the stress you save is pay for the subscription. So, which one is right for your business? Choose Wave if you're just starting and want free essentials. Go with Zoho Books if you love automation and customization. Try Xero if you need multi-user access and powerful integrations. Use Sage if you prefer conservative, no-frills approach. And if you want the gold standard with all the tools and support, QuickBooks Online is the way to go. Have you tried any of these platforms? Which one worked best for your business? Let us know in the comments, and if this video helped you choose, give it a like.